still not doing it.
Operating. Switch to off. Wait 5 minutes. Where it is. What it's saying, I think, is turn this switch. If I have my diagrams correct, it says switch that off.
Okay.
Wait 5 minutes. And then move it and turn it back on. And then turn everything back on.
Okay.
If that does not work, call technician or gas supplier.
I don't know why it's not working.
Just give it
No, I don't know what to tell you.
I may just need to